Here's a little B&K Precision oscilloscope that's showing off the defective negative AND gate that kept it from working. Troubleshooting time was about, I don't know, 15 minutes. And going across a known good oscilloscope versus this defective one, I ran across that little curl that wasn't present between the two pins of this IC chip in the known good scope. So checking around the IC chip, all the other discrete components appeared to look normal. So I went ahead and found it. It's a 74 SL00. I believe that's a negative AND gate.